Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Today's video is the 8th in a series where I am taking the contents of 5 advent calendars, opening them up, and I am donating the contents to a nonprofit. I'll put information in the description box down below about what the nonprofit is, what they do, and I'll open up day 8. First calendar I'm looking at is the OPI calendar, and this is a pearly kind of purple, light purpley pink, and the color is called Reykjavik Has All the Hot Spots. NYX calendar is next, and this is Paradise Fluff Highlighter in Candy Cloud. Pretty. I feel like we're getting a lot of these that are kind of champagne-y looking. This is really pretty. I like it, but not going to swatch it. But I'm appreciating these colors. I don't think of NYX when I think highlighter, but maybe I do now. Next is the Body Shop. Right, and this is a shower floof. The Body Shop the last few days have been really disappointing me. So I hope that it picks up a little bit, more than a little bit. Next is Feel Unique. It's heavy and a little squishy. And this is a Molten Brown Jasmine and Sunrose Bath and Shower Gel. And last is Space & K. And this is interesting. The box, there's like space in the box over here. What is this? Natura Bissé Diamond Instant Glow Peel Radiance Lift Express Mini Lift. Oh, okay. I suspect there's more information inside of it. First ingredient is water and the second is glycolic acid. So it's a peel. Hopefully someone will like that. Thank you so much for watching. I'm enjoying doing this and I hope that you're enjoying watching it. I'll see you again very soon. Bye.